Hi, I'm Rhys Lewis, Exec Chef of the Woodstock Inn. Thanks for joining me today here on Home on the Range. I've got a wonderful dish. It's called B&B, Brussels sprouts and bacon. If you don't like Brussels sprouts, you're going to love this dish. First, I take the bacon and brown it up, render it out a little bit. It's going to take a few minutes, kind of on a low, medium to low, so I don't burn it, and I'll be right back. Once the bacon is browned up a little bit, I kept it moving so it doesn't burn. And then onions go in, they're peeled, sliced. I'm just gonna let these wilt out a little bit. I'm gonna take it all out. The Brussels sprouts then go in, and we'll brown those up. The Brussels sprouts are raw. They're not blanched or anything, so you don't have that Brussels sprouts like your mom used to cook, or at least my mom used to cook. They weren't my favorite, and they've actually become far more desirable. So I'm going to let this cook here just for a second. Of course, the bacon fat's still in there. If I need a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, I'll add some in. Whoops, not the top. Live TV, you know. All right, when these brown up, I'll be right back. Hi, I'm back. The onions have cooked a bit. The bacon, I'm going to add just a little bit of the garlic to it. Cook it another few seconds. Then I'm going to remove it from the pan. Man, that smells good. Bacon, onions, garlic. Wow. We haven't even started with the Brussels sprouts yet. So this item comes out. Pan goes back. Still nice and hot. I'm going to turn the heat up a little bit. Splash of olive oil. And then the Brussels sprouts are going to go on in there. Let those cook. And they're going to kind of sear and brown. And you'll see that I'm going to have that kind of toasted vegetal taste to them. While they're cooking, we'll come on with some good high quality salt. Go in there with some pink, just wonderful coarse grained salt, Himalayan, and let these brown up. I'm going to keep them moving so they don't burn, but I want them fully cooked. So I'll be back in just a minute. All right, I'm back. You can see the Brussels sprouts are browned up. I've been moving them around just so that they don't burn, but they're nice and caramely and kind of toasty. Right at the end, if they start to get too dark, just hit it with a little bit of water. It'll kind of steam up. I'm also going to take some salt and just season them a little bit with salt. You can see that. I don't do that for dramatic effect. I do that just so I can have a visual kind of idea of how much salt is going on there. I'm going to return the onion and the bacon, have any of the juices in there. You can see how good that is. And then, of course, a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. And I serve this dish. I make it up at home just to eat. I don't really serve it in the hotel. This is Home on the Range. And I serve this dish with some beans and rice. So I have made earlier just some basmati rice with some red beans. And those are going to go down on the plate. You can make that ahead of time and reheat them in the microwave. They're actually really good. And then, of course, the Brussels sprouts are just going to go right over top. Turn my burner off here. Brussels sprouts right there. Kind of it's a dish with a meaty flavor because of the bacon, but has a lot of vegetable quality to it. Brussels sprouts, B&B. Thanks for joining me at Home on the Range. Take care. See you next episode. Bye.